Hi, welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. My name's Meg and today I am so excited to be introducing to you all the brand new Stitch Along Stella signs. Pre-orders for this exciting new Stitch Along opens on the 26th of February at 7 p.m. UK time. Designed by Emma Congdon at Stitchrovia, this Stitch Along celebrates all 12 zodiacs or star signs, whichever you prefer. From Capricorn to Sagittarius, you'll get to stitch them all. This is a 4-part mystery stitch along where every month you'll get to reveal 3 new zodiacs, starting with part 1 on the 26th of March and finishing with part 4 on the 25th of June. From the 26th of February, there will be a live link down in the description box where you can go and pre-order your kit. And even if you're seeing this after the 26th of February, or even after part 1 or part 2 or part 3 or part 4 has been released, do not worry, you can still come and join us for this wonderful stitch along. It's never too late to join. We do ship worldwide and we do always say if you are purchasing outside of the UK to always use a signed or tracked shipping just to be on the safe side. Our kits are shipped ahead of the start date, so ordering early means you'll have all the supplies and everything you need to get started as soon as part 1 is released. Plus, you'll be joining a fantastic community of fellow stitchers, all eagerly awaiting and sharing tips, tricks and advice. Everyone in the community and us here at Team Caterpillar, we do love seeing your progress pictures as well. The Stella Signs Stitch Along is the perfect kit for both beginners and experts alike. There's enough detail to keep it interesting whilst also being super relaxing. Plus, there is no backstitch, no French knots, no specialty stitches here, just full cross stitches. You can stitch a small section at a time at your own pace, keeping it super manageable. And every part of this pattern will be emailed directly to you every month, and it just makes things so exciting waiting for that email to drop into your inbox. Each standard kit includes full, easy to follow, step-by-step instructions, PDF patterns with super clear symbols in both colour and black and white. This way you can print off either the colour or the black and white version if you prefer using a physical copy, or you can use a PDF version on your preferred digital device. You will receive the finest DMC cotton in 13 strands, white fabric from Zweigart in your choice of count, so we do offer it in 14 and 16 count Aida as well as 28 count even weave. If you are a beginner, we do recommend using 14 count Aida. Attached to your fabric as well is one high quality needle. The DMC cotton does also come on a pre-sorted thread holder with these little holes as well, so you can cut as much off and you can tuck them back in through the hole to keep everything organised. Everything is beautifully hand packaged in Warwickshire in the UK by our lovely team. And on the back of your kit, you will also find all you need to know, including stitch count, supplies, dimensions, everything that you need is on there. You can also upgrade your Stella Signs kit to a premium kit. This includes everything that you receive inside the standard kit, plus a zodiac needle minder. Needle minders really are a great companion for any project with strong magnets, so you never lose your needle. You can pop your needle on and shake as much as you want, your needle is going nowhere. At Caterpillar Cross Stitch, we have over 50 designs that you can go on the website and have a look and scroll through. So many people love to collect these and we love seeing your collections. You can also pick any 3 and save with our bundle offer. Or you can make your Stella Signs Stitch Along experience even better by upgrading to our Ultimate Kit. The Ultimate Kit includes everything you'll receive in the standard kit, along with the needle minder, as well as a matching Zodiac tote bag. The Zodiac tote bag is the perfect accessory, whether you're using that to store your supplies, whether you're using it for traveling with your supplies, or even if you're using it for work or to do your food shop. It is perfect. It's stylish, it's practical. What more could you want? We also do have the option for you to purchase a PDF only. This means that you will not receive the kit, the needle minder or the tote bag. You will just receive your PDF file so that you can get started with your own thread and fabric. The Zodiac needle minder will also be available to purchase separately. So if you do want to purchase the PDF along with the needle minder, you can do so. Our needle minders are always designed to match the sal, so the colours here match perfectly with what you will be stitching. Our needle minders are super cute, super collectible and so reliable. We have so many 5-star reviews talking about how their lives have changed with a needle minder, and honestly, I agree. I am no longer finding needles in the most randomest of places. I once found a needle minder on my cat. Like, that's crazy, but with a needle minder, I don't have that problem anymore. One of the most amazing things about joining our Stella Signs Stitch Along is the beautiful community that come along with it. You can become part of our Facebook group with over 25,000 members, all sharing their progress, their tips, their tricks, their advice. If you have a question, they will answer. So whether you're a beginner or experienced stitcher, you'll never feel alone. Plus, our social media moderators and admins are always on hand to help. And you can connect with fellow stitchers who are stitching the same pattern as you. So when there's a stitch along, a lot of people will be stitching all together, and they come together in this community to talk about their progress, advice, personalization. Honestly, it's amazing. It's a place where you will be able to celebrate every finished zodiac sign that you complete during Stella Signs, but it's also a place where you can swap ideas, you can make friends with people who love cross-stitch as much as you do. And alongside this, help is always just a message away. We have our amazing customer support team here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, where any questions or any queries that you have, we will be able to answer them. Whether that's stitch along related, whether that's Stella Signs related, whether that's cross-stitch related, we will be able to help. You can do this by emailing us at support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com. And we have over 400 YouTube videos currently available. That's tutorials, tips, tricks, advice, how-tos. Oh my goodness, the list is endless. There are so many videos for you to check out. Plus, we have a playlist designated for beginner stitchers. So if you are wanting to start out but you don't know where to start, check out that playlist. We have our sneak peek here. This is of Aquarius. So we know what one of the star signs is going to look like, but we don't know what the other 11 are going to look like and how they're going to look like when they're together. That is just one of the many fun elements about joining a stitch along. Stella Signs is not just a stitch along. It's a fun, relaxing activity that is great for your mental health and well-being. Stitching each section is the perfect way to unwind, de-stress, and enjoy some mindful creativity. It's also perfect for winding down after a long day at work. And even if you've only managed to do a couple of stitches this day, you will enjoy that satisfaction of accomplishing something. And that satisfying sense of accomplishment will continue to grow as your zodiac pattern comes to life. Thousands of stitchers across the world will be joining in to stitch with you during the Stella Signs Stitch Along. That means that you will always feel part of something so much bigger than just a cross-stitch project. Plus, Stella Signs can also make such an amazing gift. You could stitch one for yourself and stitch one for your friend, or you can purchase a kit for your friend as well and even include a free gift note at checkout. And with our 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can join knowing we're very confident you're going to love it. There are so many amazing benefits for joining this stitch along. Relaxing after a long, hard day at work, the anticipation of waiting for the next part to be released, and the joy of thousands of stitchers stitching along with you at the same time. Finally, don't forget to share your progress pictures. We love seeing them. Use the hashtag StellaSignsSell to show off your work and also have a nosy at everybody else's. Celebrating together is just as enjoyable as finishing the project. So head over to our website www.caterpillarcrossstitch.com on the 26th of February at 7 PM UK time to order your Stella Signs Stitch Along. We can't wait to start stitching with you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Meg and I'll see you again soon.